Okay, FM 101.7.
And now you can be far a ma one man you want. A ma one you one show. Sa no afa bento no ayam nura gu no de akwakosa menya awoyese yenye ehu pa na yenko Dr. Godwin Atto Dr. Gordon Atto our Pentecost Hospital ewo Madina ho doc nso so gynecologist doc me moachi
mi Jesu bema na openyi mi Jesu pa
na boko de
mpacho boko wuswe
yesu yon boko pa
mi chicha utiefo nyina
atiefo nyina joso doc ne yaba wo nchen a ene ne mehu ade bi wo mirror the bokra temu se obokoko se ma wo mnyima me pesa me ba no ho ye fe na wakofa concussion bi no de agu bentoa mu anima na de asa na obi so da bi se de be ya metime anya easy labor me wo amemre na wono nso akofa bi de asa yesi enye ehu pa ema apemfo pregnant women na ehun komote sen
jamida se first of all na say yenya tiasie say anima no edru edro bia wo baabi a efa eko ewura nipa duanim nti obehu se edro bi wo ho a nsuo esese onum edro bi wo ho so nsuo esese mdifa intrinum ebisi wo ho a tablet a obenum ebisi wo ho a odibetia ebisi wo ho a odibe ma ho anima nti bibia o ye no edro. Inti first of all, as a question as I say, sa idea midi say, what is the active ingredient in a woman? In Pempi, no nipa no nim, obi na actually say, odi akoji our my way, na yeni say na fasa. But near woman, a drone woman, as I say, yeah, jumano nim. Na in Pempi, no nyendo nyina na yema obia. Obi wo ho a ni condition bi nti ense se onu medro bi sei obi wo ho a ni moja mu nti ense se oye sei na ade obi wo ho so because say wa fa ye funu apimfo ense se onu edros we ana edro we nti se onim we nyina ana the most important thing the active ingredient na was any manimu a ukosa mpempi no the problem neighbor the problem maame no ansa na edi problem no ema abofra no nti enya adepa especially if you don't know what is inside enya adepa mpempi no esese niama bebre ema maame no problem ebetumi apropro yem nyina ebetumi ama wanya reactions bebre etumi say liver because it gets into the bloodstream. The liver has to break it down near the adinina until you put a lot of pressure on your system unim we nyina afa so anya blood stream no so abofra no too is in danger near the adinina until any man if you don't know what you are putting into you so ni ma men fashion go
papa na no krese se any man no ye wo concussion bi wo a wo de ya etimi ma wo a free labor just a wo mre wonti pain bia so
a betumi aba say nukre but niame pache ni say it depends on the active ingredient one say obi wo hokra ahaban bi wo ho a containing what we call ergotamine enuma awudia no etumi contract nti ohun say obi kra ba clinic na so labor na say niama enko as we expect time no enko nanim as we expect no ye manu what we call augmentation side drone no send ebe ya ebe ma uterus na contract ye ema labor na kokama sometimes if some of these ingredients ewo any manuma ebetimi ama o labor no akọ in time but the point you need to ask your question you need to ask yourself say is your labor very active because ebetimi ama na ye overactive and share your crana with the napai because ebe contracting more than necessary. Into all these things must be measured. Somebody must monitor it, and let us see. Say who say I didn't know a cost any SSL, and now say and cost any SSL. Wow, do to me you can have an effect a bet miyama or audiano crap because you may contract more than necessary. Ebium Niamatini say what we do know sometimes in manu omoko labor sebio at the height of pushing toilet etumiba. Until some people before they go into the labor bema omuhu enima. So that all that what do you call it? The fecal matter from the anus and sanoma labor. That is the only advantage I know animal gives to ima omoko labor. So
Tibi Pacho Sebia Obebi Owa Edu se Obewo. But Obewo no baby ona omo no se wa mo chimotimi ne fa ho.
Until any man can go earlier to clear the place. Until or chima toilet kakre bia na ebi kura ni ho ebe pie. That is the only advantage.
But yeni bibia wo sebia that's the only advantage. Yeni bibia sebia herbal concoction bi or said you omo kan kura wo kura so can say we need to monitor.
Yes.
Etienne se na be se wonnim ade a wode kwa kwasa wo baby saa ade no a eni se wo ye kura ene
Debi and because wonnim ne wo mu na why na be monitor ehun se ade no ekoye ana enkoye. See, unim all these things are. It is not sabi better sir, and it is a very risky thing. At every point in time, as I say, obi wa unchen or monitor. Now, osa when there was an Indiano, say obi who say contractions are unyano eye ana ana say the way things are going very well ana. Ubehuna before you realize na bibi fufro SNC into mesre mano it is not advisable, especially se unim the active ingredients it is not advisable.
Oh, okay. Papa na me hwe ade we so ebi won so a wo be ye no oh krom ha de obi anyim a we na ye de ma no na ode akosa o sa wi a wo be se nche ne wawo. Sir, I said it's an old age tradition. When no more cancer, and so no young fair foot to be film.
Well, near woman say, young we are not equal. Your system is so equal. Into young to me, blanket statement say a G way anywhere, a drone to me a G way anywhere, a beji obia unique. As I say, our own system. Some of these traditions, they have the drugs, but the question is, sir, quantity of the drug na ode sano. Can you quantify it? Is it there will be a friend with therapeutic dose? And which say, sir, dose no system na to me what you expect. But I bet me say it will either be less or more. Say less or more, no society problems in the mouth. Inti obi dia say minfa cap baako minya ni say na minfa cap baako nsa ba cap no obi dia different and I say the quantity the size of the pot na omudinia we no kra obi dia different nso omudigun kra obi quantity are different until you don't get the same concentration and a hono na problem no one.
Papa na etimi ma birth defects e wa akola no ho.
Well, at that point, no, in labor, no dear, na akwadano ni parts ni na for me. But bani say earlier in pregnancy, say obi ekosa with a draw your friend teratogenic. A draw no etumi emma formation of the baby parts no ye problem. Into be na abofra no ba na ninsa ba ku ni ho. Ana nakuma for me well. All these things forms at the early stages of the pregnancy. Into say enema was done or the drug use was done at that stage at mima problems. But say labor stage nidia usually not birth defects. not birth defects. Affecting mother no more. And akwadaa no so go into distress. Into akwadaa no be pie no. Na onsu senior SSO na wa meaning so na e won ne ho bi aspiration na the problems aba obehun sa akwadaa no ye wonu kra sometimes enche na wanya jaundice ana ne ho mi no enye papa. These are the things that may occur, but birth defects there at that point in there a baby no are forming that into it's not likely.
Doc medo asepa. Doctor medo ase.
Asepa say munya bre frame me.
Me ya meba be sua bi why.
Mba show you. Mama. Ya munya se ya matifo nyina fisha paso.
Afin kometo ye. Bye bye. Doctor ye ne kasa ye friend Dr. Gordon Atto. Na oye Dr. Penny ewo Pentecost Hospital ewo Medina na oye gynecologist.
Okay FM 101.7